There are many tips I feel car owners and passengers ignore sometimes while driving. And these are things that if you ignore them, it can cost you your life or you sustain serious injury. So I'll try to keep the list as short as possible so it won't be boring. So the first one is always wear your seat belts. It doesn't matter if you're at the back seat or at the front seat. If you don't use it at the back seat, if there's any collision in front of that car, it can throw you from the back seat to the front seat, which can make you to lose your life or sustain serious injury. And it is not until when you are traveling on the highway before you wear your seatbelt. Even if you are driving in the city, always wear your seatbelts, please. The second one on my list is don't refuel your car while the engine is running. Many people take their car to the petrol station, still running the engine, putting on AC, and they will refuel at the same time. It can cause explosion, which can damage a lot of things. Some petrol attendants are supposed to tell you, but some will not tell you. So please don't refuel your car while the engine is running. The third one is don't put your legs on the dashboard. I've seen many ladies and guys too putting their legs on the dashboard in the front seat while somebody else is driving. Don't know that if there's any accident at that moment and the airbag comes out, your leg will break. Like it will break down your leg. To affect your pelvic also. So please, there's no point of doing that while somebody is driving. Always try as much as possible not to put your leg on the dashboard while the car is moving. So another one is don't drive when you're tired or sleepy. There are many drivers that have lost their lives while driving because they slept off on the steering. If you feel tired, don't drive. Or get somebody else to drive, or just take public transport. And if it's not worth your life, you can just rest till when you're fine. Then you continue driving or you start driving. Another one on my list is don't press your phone while driving. This thing, I'm a victim myself. Let's say, okay, I'm a guilty person when it comes to this. But there are many times that I felt, oh, thank God, say, I know lose God do. Don't press your phone while you're driving. This can cause accidents. Because when you're pressing your phone while driving, you will lose concentration. So please, don't press your phone while you're driving. So another one is don't drive with sunglasses at night. I've seen this one a lot. I wonder how people can be driving with sunglasses at night. Even at night without sunglasses, if they're not going to be able to see properly while driving. Talk less of when you're not putting on sunshade. There's no point. When you get to where you're going to, just put on the sunshade, please. So the last one on my list is keep a safe distance between you and another car. Don't start going bumper to bumper with anybody. So that whoever is in front of you, if something happens that he has to match the brake immediately or avoid something, you can be able to correct yourself easily. Because if you are too close to that person, you'll be able to control yourself. Even if the person parks all of a sudden, if you are keeping a safe distance between you and the person, you can easily tilt your car steering and go your own way. So please take note of some of these tips. I'll be driving a part two for this video to continue with the tips. So please take note of all these things. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, follow, share, and comment. And I sell clean, reliable, and affordable cars also. Bye.